So first make a circle and then the straight lines. Okay, here. Okay. So now after that, okay. So it's like make a one line over here, one line over here, and here you can make the eyes. Here make a eyes. Okay. Here make a nose like this. Okay. We are getting like this show over here. Okay. So that's why I make the circle first. Okay. And make two teeth over here. Okay. Okay, let's go first. After that here, okay, aram se. In this line here you can create one line like this. Eyes. Okay, it should be oval. It should be looks like an oval. Okay, like this. This is the oval. Okay, and here you make eyeball. Here make eyeball. Here make a nose. Okay, aram se. Nose is like oval. It's also like an oval. Okay, and make it 1, 2. Okay, first draw eyes, then nose, then the mouth. Very simple. In this line you can draw, right? Okay, it's fine. And create here 1, 2. Okay. Very simple. And now here, in top of here, okay, just make it 2. This nose, eyes and ear, the same proportion, same line. Okay, like this here. Here you go. Okay, not here, not here, here. First make it one line from like this, and in this middle line you can draw ear like this. Okay, first draw one line like this, and in this line in middle you can do like this. It is also oval. It's also like an oval. See, it's like an oval, and then join this.
Then should we draw a line in the
Done that much?
So what is the next step?
Next is I show. First wait 2 minutes.
Sir, next step.
Okay, just good. This step's done. So next step we are creating this characters. Okay. So this is the steps we are making here. The hairs, like make this hairs. Okay. One hair, you can make one hair like this and one hair like this. Okay. Simple.
Sir, can we outline now?
Yeah. Hi, Tanish. Ishan Tanish's father, right? Yes, sir. Yeah, he joined today, right? Isn't it? Okay. Please. Okay. I send that link. Please join it there only. I sent the link. Tanish. Please check it out in WhatsApp. Yeah, please join us.
Sir,
Yeah. Done. That much. We are go to the next. We are go to the next drawing. Okay. Only head. This is I was to draw. Is a called. Okay. Eva. It's also same technique I apply. Okay. Make first circle.
now we have to draw this.
Yes.
Sir, can I draw it straight? I play.
আমি বন্ধ করে দিচ্ছি
Sir, can I draw it straight? I don't have space.
You don't have space, so you can take the new paper, one paper more.
Sir, is this the same face?
No, it's different face I draw. I'll show you. Okay, it's different face. Okay, like this. I draw the different face. I make it here outline, so you can got idea. So like this. Okay, आराम से take time. Okay, Dhani, understood beta? And you guys are showing after that. Okay, you finish the drawing. Okay, nose. I make the outline. Mouth. So you can see it properly. Okay, like this. Aram se. Dhani beta. Understood this one? Hi. Okay, Tanisha. So we can color it. Okay, you can go first drawing and then color it. Okay, first drawing. So make the circle. You can take new page. Okay.
Sir, so can we color it on our own?
Now I show the color. I'll show color. Just a minute.
should rub the lines.
Make a color. First, it is a little gray. First, make color gray. This is mouse
Sir,
actually.
we rub the lines.
Yeah. Make the mouse a little gray. Okay. And these two lines we make the pink like this. Okay, we are creating the pink. See, like this. And after that, we are creating. Dhaniveta, your camera is off. Can you show on your camera when you draw and show me your works, whatever you are doing? Make it little bit of gray. Aram se. Okay. Take time. First gray and then little blue.
Stand the mouse to black. Sir, what color did you use?
First I put this color.
Sir, what color did you use in the place?
First gray. We have put the first gray. Okay, this is a gray, and then after the gray I put the blue. First make gray, and this then the not Prussian blue, light blue, any light blue, cobalt blue like this.
Sir, can I use the color?
Yeah, I can put the light blue too. Okay.
Sir, you can
Yes.
just find the smells. Sir, what is the nose color?
Nose color. Okay.
Yes.
Nose color is you can put the black or orange, not black. You could put the pink. Okay, like this pink.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I show the. Okay, we have take the next drawing. This next page. This page is almost over. So what is the technique I show? First, this is make circle. This is first. The step 1 is circle. Okay. Step 2, step 1 is a circle. Step 2 is this is line. Okay, this line. Step 3, you should go this line. After that, make his eyes in top of this. Okay, top of this, and nose and mouth. Okay, and ear. Step 3, you can make it like this. Okay, and step 4, okay, you make it nicely small correction like this line, small hair. Okay, eyes already done, so no need to eyes. Okay, this part, this things, small things you can add. Okay, after the step 4, it's the step 5. Step 5, it is step 6. 1, 2, 3, it is step 3. Okay, step 4. Okay, step 4. And step 5 is the color. It's step 5. Okay, it's the color. So you can make it step by step. It's a help lots to